welcome back to my channel. So this is Model Monday episode 7, and right now I've got an exciting kit to review. This is Tamiya's 1/48 scale P38 F/G, and this is an extremely well detailed kit and historically accurate, so it's something I will definitely build soon after I'm finished with my current projects. So this vehicle comes with painting guides for two P38s, and one is an F version and one is a G version. This is the airplane that shot down General Yamamoto, and this is one stationed in Papua New Guinea, near Port Moresby, I believe that's how you say it. So, nice box art, and I'm excited to look at this. So first, starting off, is the main wing structure. I believe this is the bottom, and it is very nicely detailed. Tough plastic, not too thick, just the perfect combination. Very nice. And then here are the parts of the engine fuselages and things like ailerons, and I believe there's a flap here too. So just some extra pieces there. Next is the upper, I'm not an expert on the P38, but upper plate, or however you say it, fuselage front nose area thing. So, and these are pieces. This also comes with a nicely molded pilot. Head is molded separately, which is nice. So there's some interior details. It comes with a very nicely detailed cockpit. And while we're on the topic of the cockpit, here is the glass pieces, the windows, and other pieces for other areas of the airplane. And some of these pieces are duplicates that are slightly similar for the other version, the F or G. So there's some duplicates of very similar parts. Here we have the elevator, and then more parts for the, I believe, upper wing. So, nice panel lines on that. And the propellers are very nicely detailed, not too thick, just the right amount. The elevator is one piece, very nicely detailed. Then more cockpit details, such as the seat right here. And while we're talking about exterior details, here are the drop tanks and engine covers, along with wheels. Half of the wheels. So most of this stuff on this sprue is half, and here's the other half, a duplicate. So two of those, very nicely detailed on the drop tanks, and you get the choice of having whatever size drop tank you want, large or small. It's for different amounts of fuel. And this is the last sprue of interior and exterior details along with the wheels. Very nice detail. Next are the instructions. So, in cockpit starting first, you get the choice of the F or G version. That's going to come up a lot. There are some differences. And Tamiya also just came out with the H version. I did not get the H version. I got this one as an early birthday present. So, it's a different version. And this also comes with weights. So right here you put down a weight, and these are just metal balls. And you put it in the fuselage, in each half of the fuselage. So you just glue that in. I'm not sure how heavy they are, but it's nice so that you don't have to guess the weight, and not everybody has the same thing. So that's nice. wheels, landing gear, rear, elevator, rudder, stabilizer. Drop tank choices. And it comes with decals for everything. It's crazy. Now we're on to the cockpit, the radios, the seat, everything you can possibly imagine. Finishing up the cockpit with clear pieces, then moving on to propeller and engine details. So that is it for the instructions. It also comes with this very nice decal sheet, and it also comes with this. You cut this out. It's basically like a sticker that you put onto the window, so it's pre-masked. You just cut it out. So it's unfortunate it's not pre-cut, but it's pre-drawn, so that's nice. Now for the extremely large decal sheet. So the roundels, I believe these are grates, and one version has a shark mouth on it. Numbers for the different airplanes. Miss Virginia, different markings. Up here are the propellers. Sorry about that. Now different cockpit dials, seat belts, warning things, fuel, do not step, things like that. Anti-slip thing, I believe, right there. And then all these things actually have words on it. I don't think you'll be able to see. They are tiny. Then here, these are chrome decals, so that's for shiny. I don't remember what it goes on, but I believe there's mirrors or something. So that's nice. So very nice decal sheet. Lots and lots of decals. And it comes with this, basically a poster. I won't be able to get it all in one shot. And it's double-sided for the two different markings. So this is the one in Papua New Guinea, the shark mouth and the blue propeller. Very interesting how they go so detailed into the instructions. That's helpful, and I think it'll be helpful for tanks too. Tanks have less markings though. So here is the other one, Miss Virginia, the one that shot down Yamamoto. So it has everything is historically accurate. This one doesn't have blue propellers, so it's different and interesting. So just all drab and then neutral gray. Obviously this is a painting guide too. So that is very nice. And it comes with this little thing talking about historical parts about the P38 and how it came to be, how it was different than the other twin engine fighters. So very nice model that I am definitely looking forward to build in the near future after I finish my current projects. So again, here's the Papua New Guinea. It's just really nicely drawn and printed. I might even hang this up when I'm done. So this is very nice. So this has been Model Monday episode 7. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye!